Hello passionpreneurs. Today I am here to share with you one of my new learnings, which is on the persuasive communication. By now we all have got into our heads like life is all about selling. Selling the concepts, selling the goods, selling services, selling knowledge. Everything is about selling in day-to-day interactions. And persuasive communication is a very important integral part of that. Live example, if you see that if we tell the details to someone in a simple simplistic language, then that is informative communication. But when we add a perspective to it, when we add a need to it, taking the audience along, then your throw of the communication, the impact of your communication enhances multifolds. For example, if you take, I say Graham Bell. Graham Bell is known for who invented the telephone. But when we say want to have a persuasion of a thought that he is an influential leader, he is an influential inventor, then we may add to that a perspective in the persuasion. In the same example, if you may say that he is the one who was a teacher in the deaf school. He had his mother who was hearing impaired, and hence he gave this thought of inventing something which was the electronic speech. He also invented many more things like photophones, the telegraphs, and so on. So this is a persuasion aspect added into that informative aspect, and that way this is an example to that. Similarly, if we may say another recipe like sushi. Sushi is a good thing. The recipe of sushi is an informative communication, how to make it. That is how part. But when we add the benefits to it, like say health benefits, omega fatty 3 acids and others, so on and so forth. So that will be a persuasive efforts on the communication to add the value to it, to give some meaning to that communication, and in referring that in those sections where you want to persuade the health benefits. Similarly, if we say our kids having a midday nap, if we just tell them to do so, that will be a sounding authoritative or informative, go ahead. But if you add a value to that, a perspective to that, if you get up by the evening and go to play after a nap, you will be more energetic, you will enjoy more, it will be good for you. So that gives a perspective. That's a persuasion communication skills. So that ways persuasive communication and informative communication go hand in hand. But normally persuasion communication is a step beyond the normal communication. Normal communication is used normally by the teachers, by the educator, those in the role of education roles or the training roles. Whereas the persuasive communication is used by those who are, say, in the sales fraternity, or those who are the politicians, those who are motivational speakers, the leaders, and those who are the team leaders in the leadership roles who want to throw some message to create an impact and create a value for the respective jobs or respective business units where they work in. So there is a thin line of difference, but it is very important so that it helps us to build, to sell, to convince the audience what you want to say and get the intended results together. Our Guru Dev Gadvi has given a good sequential steps into the session 10 of SWC course on persuasion skills, wherein there are 7 steps which can be used as a sequential steps, case to case basis. We can modulate those along with those, and each one of them is very important. Simultaneously, there is another perspective to this persuasive communication in our business roles, job roles, wherein we all work in an ecosystem wherein I treat it as like a hourglass. There is an upper cup, there is a lower cup, and we are sitting at this middle, wherein it is called the sideways with our peers. Upper cup is the upper management, where we manage them in one ways. In center, we ourselves are there, where we have a peer-to-peer communication, sideways communication. Or the lower cup, the team below, all the ecosystem below who is supporting us in some way. So there is a different way of persuading all the 3 layers, upper, sideways and the lower. So that is also beautifully explained in the session 10 of PPMM SWC. That helps a lot. And this is the learning what I wanted to share with all of you, as I found it very important for me to translate, to multiply the results what we are looking for with persuasive communication. Please do share your feedback with me. Thank you.